Hi guys, it's Miss Buck. Here is the short video to go with the next lesson called My Science Personality. The assignment itself is meant to just be fun, and hopefully you will learn a little bit about me, and I'd like to learn a little bit about you as well. The biggest reason to watch this video, though, is to make sure that you understand how to submit. This is what's called a Google Cloud assignment, and we love it in Canvas, and I'll explain why in just a second. But I find that kids often get confused about how to submit it. Okay, all right, so here's your home page again, right? Click, in you go, hopefully. All right, and that will become something different, but down here's your classwork, so you're clicking. All right, now remember, we have this set up. You'll scroll down. We have this set up, so you have to go in order. So this assumes that you've already completed the Nearpod and you marked it as done. Remember, I will know if you really did it or not on my end. And now you're ready to do the next assignment, which is called My Science Personality. So you'll just click right there. And notice that you can't move on until you finish this and you actually submit it, okay? Now, I made kind of a little, I guess it's just called a little sandbox class just so I could show you what it would look like on your end. When you click it, you are probably going to get a screen that pops up, okay? So let me show you. Pretend that I have just clicked My Science Personality right there, okay? You are probably going to get a screen that looks like this. And what it's doing is again, if you haven't seen this before, it's asking you to authorize your Google account. That is just Canvas way of saying, I need to talk to your Google Drive, and your Google Drive needs to be able to talk back to me. And this is where we keep telling you guys, you have to be logged into your school Google account, not your private one, and you have to make sure you log out of the private one. So when you hit authorize, okay, when you hit authorize, it's going to pop up, and just make sure that you hit the correct one, okay, your school Google account. And it's just saying, hey, thank you, Google Drive and Canvas want to talk to each other. And you can say, okay, all right, that's cool by me. I'll let that happen. And when you do that, here's what's going to happen. It is making a copy for you. It is making a copy for you of the assignment. So it makes a copy for every single student, and you don't have to worry about making a copy for yourself. Now, when it looks like this, I want you to watch carefully. Right here, do you see how that's in blue and it says My Science Personality? That's your copy. A lot of kids try to like work right here on this screen right there. I wouldn't do that. I mean, that's going to be, I mean, you can make it bigger, I guess, if you want. You can zoom in over here, and you can work in this little box, but you don't need to, okay? You don't need to. This is your copy. That is your copy. So when you see the blue letters, click on that. And now see, it's a nice workspace, and I can work on this. So here's what we want you to do. This is called My Science Personality, and here's your directions. We have a choice for you of 3 pieces of labware. And first of all, you're going to pick the one that you just like the best. I mean, here's one. That's a beaker. Here's one. That's called an Erlenmeyer flask. And here's a big old test tube. Just pick one. You're not using all 3. Just pick one. And what you're going to do is fill that piece of equipment with words and pictures that are all about you. So here's what needs to be in there. First of all, your first and last name, all right? And you can put that inside the glassware or outside the glassware. You need to put at least 10 images that tell me something about you. So we put some suggestions on here. Gosh, guys, it can be anything. Your favorite book, favorite movie, favorite song, what you like to eat. I don't know. I should add your favorite video game in there. a place you'd like to visit, your favorite season, favorite color, anything at all. I'm just trying to get to know you. And this will be cool because I will share a few of these. So let me show you what mine looks like. Here's mine, okay? And I put a picture of my family at the top. I don't have a dog right now, and I want one so much, and I'm saving my money. Those are schnoodles. Yeah, it's a cross between a poodle and a schnauzer. I really want a schnoodle. Well, okay, I want two. I'm going to get two dogs next time so that when I'm at school and I'm working, they can keep each other company. I'm looking for two. This is a map, and that is Italy because I got to go to Italy last summer. That was fun. I ate a lot of pasta. I like to travel, so I kind of see, there's a picture of the world and an airplane and things. I've been to London, but I would like to go back. I only got to go for 2 days, and I'd like to go back and see more of England. Apollo 13 is my favorite movie. Um, I just love everything about Scotland right there. I love everything about Scotland. My favorite color, well, the reason I love Scotland is because my maiden name is McNabb. And I have stories about the McNabb clan over in Scotland. And I got to go to Scotland and visit the McNabb ancient burial grounds. Yeah, it was like I had to kind of break in a little bit, just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. I had to climb over a little stone wall and then, but it was okay. It was worth it. It was fun. Um, I love a book series called Outlander. My faith is very important to me. And over here, my favorite season is the fall. So that's a picture. So you can really, I mean, it's just anything at all about you. And then I just put my name down there. So what you'll do, again, it will make a copy for you. Okay, I'm working on my copy. And pick one of these, not all three, just pick one and fill it up however you want. Okay, however you want to do. I mean, you could put a text box in there, you could type. You can, a lot of you are way more creative than me. So that's what mine looks like. Okay. Now here's the trick. Let's say you're done. You finished. There it is. Woo! Now I want to turn it in. Now watch. Some kids go up here and they think, oh, I'll just share that with Miss Buck. Don't do that. Shake your heads no. No, 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 no. Do not, do not, do not. Everybody should be shaking your head no. Do not do that. What you have to do is right back here on this screen. You go back to this screen. That's your copy. When you're done, you go back to this screen and look right there. Oh, see the blue submit button? That makes Miss Buck very, very happy. You click that blue submit button and then it is submitted to me and this wonderful thing happens. It goes onto my screen and I can click right through and grade everybody's. The other thing is, guys, remember the way the module is set up, it won't let you go to the science notebook lesson until, see how it says you have to submit this? You have to submit it. Well, that means this blue button. You have to submit by pushing that blue button. And then it will come through to me and I'll be able to learn just a little bit about you. Okay. So that's all this is. Just like at the beginning of school, if we had each other in person, we would do some of these activities. Same type of thing. We want to get to know you just a little bit. And so I'm ready to be impressed. All right. Bye.